If you own a business generating over $1 million in revenue per year and you're thinking about selling, you need the right broker to get the best deal possible. Selling a business isn't just another transaction, it is a once-in-a-lifetime decision that impacts your financial future. The right broker can maximize your valuation, streamline the process, and connect you with serious pre-qualified buyers who understand the value of what you've built. But not all brokers are created equal. Some overpromise and underdeliver, others charge excessive fees, and many lack the experience needed to negotiate a deal that truly benefits you. That's where Wire Daily comes in. We take the guesswork out of the process by providing expert business broker reviews, in-depth comparisons, and valuable industry insights so you can choose the best broker for your specific goals. With brokers that specialize in over 17 industries and a network of 20,000 plus pre-qualified buyers, your business sale can be faster, smoother, and more profitable. To help you get started, we're offering a free business valuation guide, a must-have resource that walks you through how to find the right broker, what your business is really worth, and how to maximize your exit strategy. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment right now to grab your free guide and start your selling journey the right way. Now, let's dive into today's topic. This is Melania from Wire Daily. Let's get started.
Are you ready to sell your manufacturing business? This is not just any transaction. It's a major move that requires planning and a strategy to get the best results. Whether you are aiming for retirement or a new venture or cashing in on years of hard work, selling a manufacturing company can be a complex process. But in this video, we will break down the essential steps you need to know. First thing, preparing your business. Before you list your business for sale, you need a full valuation. What makes your company valuable? Buyers are looking for the key factors like consistent revenue and profitability, condition and capacity of your machinery, long-term customer contract and supplier relationship, specialization in high-demand industry, prime location and logistics infrastructure. An expert valuation will give you an accurate price range and help you to understand where you will stand in market. Next, organizing your business document buyer and expert details financial operation information before Birthday makes any offer. Make sure you have profit and loss statement, tax returns for the past few years, production capacity report, equipment maintenance report, inventory and supply chain details. Being transparent with those records build credibility and trust. If buyer sense any red flag, they might be walk away. Now, it's time to optimize your operation. Get a machinery in the top condition. Streamline your workflows and assure your key employees are on board for the transition. Buyers are much more interested in business that are efficient and ready to run from the day one. Step 2. Finding the right buyer. Potential buyer could be competitors expanding their market share, private investors in equity firms, entrepreneurs with experience in manufacturing, strategic buyer looking for the foothold in the industry. Screen those buyers carefully. Not everyone has a financial backing and operational know how to successfully run a manufacturing business. Step 3. Marketing your business effectively. Creating a strong offering memorandum is crucial. This document should showcase your business strength, production capabilities, intellectual property, long-term contract and opportunity for growth. Don't just sell the fact, highlight what makes your company unique and valuable. You can also hire a broker to manage this process. Brokers will have experience in manufacturing, can help product and confidently and connect with you as serious planted buyers. Step 4. Negotiate the deal. Pricing your business right is crucial. Work with your advisor to set a price that reflects both your valuation and your current market. An infertile price could be turned buyers off, while a fair price will generate strong offers. Buyers may present different deal structure, including asset purchases for the machinery, contracts, and inventory. Equity transfer will they take ownership of the company. Earnouts, where you receive the part of the payment based on future performance. During negotiation, be ready to discuss concerns like how you retain key clients, keep critical staff, and handle ongoing projects. Addressing this question early can smooth the path of closing. Step 5. Finalizing the sale. The due diligence process can be interest. Buyers will want to access your financial and safety compliance reports. Contract with the supplier and clients. Make sure that all documentation is up to date and easily accessible. Have a legal term draft or review all agreement including your purchase contract, non-compete clauses and the transition plan. Attention to the details here is our essentials. Let's quickly recap the steps to selling a manufacturing business. Conduct a thorough valuation. Organize your business record. Identify your qualified buyers. Market your business effectively. Negotiate a fair deal. Complete due diligence and finalize the sale. And don't forget to plan for a life after the sale. Consult with a tax advisor to minimize tax liabilities and maximize your net profit. Whether you are planning to retire, reinvest, or start a new business, careful financial planning will set up you for the up process. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. If you also find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more business strategies. Thanks for the tuning in for the free consultation with one of our recommended broker. Until the next time, stay focused and stay successful.